Hey everyone, welcome back to GetAssist.net, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get your website AdSense approved. I will also be talking about some of the best practices to help you get your site approved. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Alright, so first of all you have to log in to your Google AdSense account. So you have to go to the official website and click on sign in. And now here you simply have to log into your Google account that is linked to your Google AdSense. Tell us which emails you would like to receive, so you can skip this for now, remind me later. So that's the Google AdSense account where you will see your site earnings. Now to add a new site, you have to go to the sites section given in the left column, click on that. And now here you can use the add site option to add a new site and request approval for it. So here you have to enter the URL of your website. So I'm going to go to one of my websites that is datarecovo.com that I want to get approved for Google AdSense. So that's my website that I want to get approved for Google AdSense, and now I'm gonna copy the URL from here and then I'm gonna paste it right here. But as you can see, the website should be in this format, example.com. So I'm gonna remove www from here and then I'm gonna click on save and continue. So as you can see, it's written that connect your site to AdSense. What you have to do is you have to copy and paste this code in the HTML of your site between the header tags, alright, head tags, and you have to place the code on every page you want to show ads, and after Google will run some checks, your site will be ready to show the ads. So you can also go to ads section and choose the ad format for your website. And if you are a WordPress user, you can use this link to know how to insert a code. That's the URL of the website, and now you can copy the code, and now you have to open your website in the HTML format that's look like this, and you have to paste the code in the between the head tags as it is written here. Alright, it is clearly mentioned here that between the head tags. So you have to paste your code right here. Once you have pasted the code, you have to click on request review. So you will see this message getting your site ready to show ads. Please bear with us. This usually takes a few days, but in some cases can take up to 2 weeks. We will notify you as soon as we have run some checks on your site. So make sure you don't remove your site and resubmit it, because this can delay the process. And in the meantime, you can place the code on every page you want ads to appear. After our checks are complete, your site will be ready to show ads. Alright, so make sure to choose the ad format from the ads section. That's all you need to do to get your website Google AdSense approved. So that was how you can request for Google AdSense approval. Now here are some quick tips for you. Make sure your code is complete and correct. You need to place the code into the HTML of your website. You need to place the ad code in the head tag or at the top of the body of your page without making any changes to it. Also make sure you have placed the code into the site that you have added in your AdSense account. The second important thing is to ensure that your site is reachable. Make sure you have provided the correct URL. If your site is down or is not loading properly, Google will be unable to review such sites. So make sure the URL you use to sign up for the AdSense account is up and running globally. Also ensure that AdSense can access your site without a password, as your site would be unavailable if you need a password to access the website. Next, you have to confirm that the AdSense crawler can access your site, so make sure you haven't blocked it in your robots.txt file to avoid any crawler issues. The last thing is to make sure your website is policy compliant. You can go through Google's program policies and content policies. There are 3 major mistakes you should avoid if you want to get your site approved. Low value content, so make sure your content is original and valuable to users. Replicated content, make sure your content is unique and has not been repeated on different pages of your website. Deceptive site navigation, visitors must be able to easily navigate your site. Also keep in mind that Google may review all pages of your website and not just the sign up URL where you have placed the ad code. The additional tip from my side is to place the ad code on the most popular page of your website, which might speed up the activation process. Also, do not remove your site from the site list as it may delay the review process. So that was all for this video. I hope it helped you better understand how you can get your site approved. Let me know in the comment section your suggestions for the next videos. You can also visit my website, that is getassist.net, for more informational content from different expert writers. Thank you for watching.